right there, ContractMan. You look good out there in the Buckeye. ContractMan Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hello, ContractMan Mod Squad in Honolulu. Check in. Come on down. ContractMan, yeah, we let the gang know you said hello, man. ContractMan, you got it down in Honolulu, Hawaii in fine style. ContractMan, Mod Squad Mobile. ContractMan out there in the Buckeye, Mod Squad, downtown Honolulu with the Independence Day wave. The Mobile is gone. ContractMan, you got it down nice, man. ContractMan, take them on care once again, and the rest of the good time gang out there, Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu, copy the mail.
Hey, Mod Squad, ToolBox in the Rockies, kicking this. Hello, Mod Squad, ToolBox in the Rockies. Hello, Mod Squad, ToolBox in the Rockies, kicking in. Bye-bye.
And I'm waving at you too there, ToolBox in the Rockies. You're looking very good in Honolulu. Hello, ToolBox, Mod Squad. Hello, ToolBox, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. ToolBox, Mod Squad, Mobile. Say, you got that thing down. Aloha.
Right on, Mod Squad. Happy Independence Day, big vote on the islands. Hey, Mod Squad, ToolBox up in the Rockies. Say, happy Independence Day around the Big Island. Mod Squad, ToolBox kicked in with the Independence wave there, right.
ToolBox, we put it right back to there. We put it right back where you can get it to there, ToolBox. Hey, ToolBox, Independence Day wave right back with you. ToolBox, Mod Squad. ToolBox, Mod Squad, Mobile, right back around Honolulu, Hawaii. And I got it all. I got it all, ToolBox. I got it all. You got that thing down in Honolulu. Hello, ToolBox. Hello, ToolBox in the Rockies. Mod Squad said you got that thing down. Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Back on the mail.
Now, Roger, Mod Squad, the Mobile talking in Colorado, man. Hey, Mod Squad, the Mobile sound real good. 6,000 feet above sea level. Right down on the Pacific Mountains. Time to let it by. Mod Squad, take care of us and have a happy Independence Day. Mod Squad, ToolBox in the Rockies, kicked in and kicked out, and I'm quiet.
Got it all, ToolBox. Hey, ToolBox, I want you to hear this water gate. Take it, ToolBox. Check out this water gate now. Hello, ToolBox, Mod Squad in Honolulu.
Good copy, big brother. Squad, good copy on that top nigga here, man. Hey, Mod Squad on 606. Happy Independence Day to you from the west side of the Cali. Mod Squad on ToolBox trying to play a fake cam nigga Cody from 606. Take care, Mod Squad. You did it in fine style. 6,000 feet above sea level. ToolBox kicked in and kicked out, and I'm quiet.
Contact. Yeah, you tell Zigzag I said hello too, man. Tell them all I said hello on the west side. Hello, ToolBox. Let them all know on the west side. Mod Squad put the Independence Day wave on them too. Mod Squad Mobile. You got Mod Squad Mobile coming out of Honolulu. Right back, read this mail too. Aloha. Right back, ToolBox. Right back to you, man. Take it, ToolBox. I hear somebody calling my name. I can't get your 28 there, but hear you calling my name every now and then. Mod Squad in Honolulu. Back to you there. Come on.
Mod Squad. Chaos over here in the Evergreen State. Break.
Right there, TR in the Evergreen. Hello, TR in the Evergreen. Thank you much, ToolBox, for standing by. Take care, TR in the Evergreen State. ModSquad Honolulu. Check in with you too. Aloha. Right there, KR. You said you got a barefoot radio. You working that barefoot radio, KR. You look good in Honolulu. Hey, ModSquad Mobile. Hello, KR. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Independence Day wave. Right back. Aloha.
Roger there, ModSquad. Have a happy 4th of July. No doubt. Everything is right.
You too. Have a good one. Take care to the rest of the good time. Gang out there on the East Coast also. ModSquad wave right back. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. Take care, ToolBox and a good time, gang. ModSquad Mobile coming out of downtown Honolulu. Read the mail.
I'm going now. Hello there, ModSquad. Hello, ModSquad. 709. Looking at you out of the northwest corner.
Right there, 709. Hello, 709 in northwest corner. ModSquad wave at you also there, 709. Take care, 709. ModSquad, 709. ModSquad Honolulu. Have a good day.
ModSquad 709 out of northwest. Over. This little ModSquad ain't got no conditions. There's Excaliber up in the corner in this little mobile, and I'm back quiet.
Right there, Excaliber. I heard you too. Take care, Excaliber. Take care, 709. You guys looking good on the northwest. Excaliber 709, ModSquad in Honolulu. Check in. Aloha.
Colorado, you're back quiet.
All right, you guys have a good one too there, 709. ModSquad still got the East Coast, man. They rumbling in my radio too. ModSquad in Honolulu. ModSquad Mobile. I'm cruising Honolulu. The Mobile gone. Yeah, who that calling ModSquad there? Try to get that 28 there. ModSquad Honolulu. ModSquad Honolulu right back. ModSquad Honolulu, put it back.
Hey, ModSquad out there around Honolulu.
Who that in that Mud Duck Valley or something there? ModSquad missed the 28 there. Hello with that Mud Duck Valley or something. ModSquad Honolulu.
I wish I had a bag of birds here. Take care, we started at 205. The 28 is loose. The 28 is loose. ModSquad loose up here in Mud Duck Valley, Central Evergreen State.
Right back, Moose. I got it that time. Moose. You take care, man. You in that valley over there? Looking good downtown Honolulu. Hello, Moose. You got ModSquad Mobile Independence Day wave. Right back to you. Aloha. Hey, Excaliber ModSquad, see you again too there. Take care, Moose. ModSquad Mobile Honolulu, right back. Good day.
Sounds good.
Hey, ModSquad Honolulu, check on the north side. ModSquad, check on the north side. ModSquad Mobile, check on the north side. ModSquad Mobile Honolulu, back on the mail. Good afternoon, right back, man, but it's rough on the 28, that's for sure, man. But you guys have a good afternoon, man. I hear you calling my name, but I can't get you 28. ModSquad wave right back from Honolulu, Hawaii. ModSquad Mobile right back around the mini grass. Aloha.
I don't know,